My beloved child, if you are hearing these words today, know that this moment is not an accident. I have brought you here because I have something important to place upon your heart. Before you rush into another task, before you allow worry to fill your mind again, be still for a moment and listen. I know every tear you have cried, every silent prayer you have whispered, and every burden you have carried when no one else could see it. I have never turned away from you. I have never forgotten your name. Even when you thought I was silent, I was working behind the scenes in ways your eyes could not yet understand. Do not believe the lie that you are alone. I have walked beside you through every valley, every disappointment, and every sleepless night. I have been your strength when you felt weak, and your hope when everything around you seemed uncertain. There were moments when you almost gave up, yet I carried you through them. You are still standing because my hand has been upon your life. My child, stop measuring your future by your current circumstances. What you see today is not the whole story. I see the beginning and the end. I know the plans I have prepared for you, and they are filled with hope. The delays you have experienced are not proof that I have abandoned you. Sometimes I protect you by making you wait. Sometimes I strengthen your faith before I open the next door. Trust my timing, because my timing is perfect. I know there are questions in your heart. You have asked, Lord, when will my breakthrough come? When will my family be restored? When will my finances improve? When will this pain end? I have heard every one of those prayers. Not a single word has escaped my attention. Keep praying, even when you cannot yet see the answer. Faith grows strongest when it continues to believe during the waiting season. Do not let fear become louder than my promises. Fear will tell you that nothing will ever change. Fear will tell you that you have failed too many times. Fear will tell you that your mistakes define your future. But I tell you something different. My grace is greater than your failures. My mercy is new every morning. Your past does not have the authority to cancel the future I have prepared for you. Remember how many times I have already brought you through impossible situations. I opened doors that no one else could open. I made a way where there seemed to be no way. I placed the right people in your life at exactly the right moment. If I have been faithful before, I will be faithful again. I do not change. My love for you remains constant through every season. My child, guard your heart carefully. Not every voice deserves your attention. The world is filled with noise, but my voice brings peace. Spend time with me every day. Open my word. Pray with honesty. Worship me even before you receive the miracle you are asking for. Gratitude opens your heart to recognize my presence even during difficult times. Forgive those who have hurt you. I know forgiveness is not easy. I know the wounds are real. But bitterness only keeps your heart chained to yesterday. Release those who have wronged you into my hands. I am the perfect judge. Let me handle what you cannot. As you forgive, you will discover a freedom that anger could never give you. Do not compare your journey with someone else's. I created you with a unique purpose. What I have planned for another person is different from what I have planned for you. Celebrate the blessings of others without doubting your own future. Your season is coming. The seeds you have planted with faith, obedience, and kindness will produce fruit at the right time. When you feel overwhelmed, remember that you do not fight your battles alone. I go before you. I stand beside you. I surround you with my presence. The mountains that seem impossible to climb are not impossible for me. The doors that appear locked are not beyond my power to open. My beloved child, stop carrying burdens that I never asked you to carry. Bring your anxiety to me. Bring your fears to me. Bring your disappointments to me. Lay them at my feet. I did not create you to live under constant pressure. I created you to walk in my peace. Even when storms surround you, my peace can guard your heart. Do not lose hope because of one difficult chapter. Your story is still being written. The pain you feel today will not last forever. I can turn sorrow into joy, weakness into strength, and brokenness into beauty. I specialize in restoring what people think is beyond repair. I want you to become a light in this world. Encourage others, speak with kindness, show compassion. Love even when it is difficult. The way you treat people reflects my love working through you. Never underestimate the impact of one act of kindness. Sometimes a simple word of encouragement becomes the answer to someone else's prayer. Keep your eyes fixed on me instead of your problems. Problems grow larger when they become your focus. But when you focus on me, your faith becomes stronger than your fear. Trust that I am already working on the things you cannot yet see. My unseen work is often greater than my visible miracles. My child, there is power in obedience. Even when you do not fully understand my direction, continue to trust me. Every step of faith prepares you for the blessings ahead. Do not become discouraged if the path seems difficult. Many of my greatest servants walked through challenges before they experienced victory. I know your dreams. I place many of them within your heart. If they truly come from me, I will provide what is needed to accomplish them. Do not allow doubt to steal what faith has planted. Continue moving forward one step at a time. Small acts of obedience often lead to extraordinary outcomes. Today I am reminding you that your identity is not found in success, money, popularity, or the opinions of others. Your identity is found in my love. You are my child. You are deeply loved. You are chosen. You are valuable. Nothing can separate you from my love when you continue to trust in me. Whenever you feel weak, remember that my strength is made perfect in weakness. You do not have to be perfect for me to use you. I often choose ordinary people to accomplish extraordinary things, so that my glory will be seen. Bring me your willing heart, and I will guide your steps. As you begin this new day, choose faith over fear. Choose hope over despair. Choose forgiveness over bitterness. Choose love over hatred. Choose trust over anxiety. Every choice to follow me brings you closer to the life I desire for you. Do not quit now. You have come farther than you realize. The enemy wants you to believe that your efforts are meaningless, but I see every faithful step you have taken. I see every sacrifice you have made. None of it has been wasted. I am preparing blessings that will arrive at the right time. Some answers will come suddenly. Others will unfold little by little. Be patient and remain faithful. Continue seeking me above everything else. The greatest gift is not only what I can give you, it is my presence with you every day. Lift your head, my child. Walk forward with confidence. I am holding your future in my hands. My goodness will follow you. My mercy will sustain you. My peace will comfort you. My wisdom will guide you. My love will never fail you. So today, choose to believe again. Choose to pray again. Choose to trust again. I am with you in every season, and I will never leave you nor forsake you. Keep your eyes on me. Keep your heart open to my voice, and keep walking by faith. The best chapters of your journey are still ahead, because I am writing your story with love, purpose, and eternal hope.